Welcome to paradise, an introduction to Bali's charm. Bali is often called the island of the gods. Imagine lush rice paddies, stunning beaches, and majestic volcanoes. The air is filled with the scent of incense and the sounds of traditional gamelan music. Ancient temples dot the landscape, each with its own unique story to tell. Traditional dances and ceremonies are a feast for the senses. Surfers flock to its world-renowned waves. Hikers can trek through volcanic landscapes and discover hidden waterfalls. Bali has something to offer everyone, from the adventurous to the serene. And the best part? You don't need to break the bank to experience the magic of Bali. Bali on a budget, making your dream trip affordable. Experiencing the beauty and wonder of Bali doesn't have to be expensive. Affordable accommodations are plentiful, from cozy homestays to budget-friendly hotels. Local warungs offer delicious and authentic Balinese food at incredibly low prices. Scooters are a popular and affordable way to explore the island. Embrace the local way of life for a more authentic and immersive experience. Timing is everything. Booking your flights strategically. The golden rule of budget travel is to book in advance. Aim to book your flights at least 2 to 3 months before your intended travel dates. Consider flying during the shoulder seasons for lower prices. Weekdays, especially Tuesdays and Wednesdays, often have the lowest fares. Flexibility is key, finding the cheapest days to fly. Flexibility is your secret weapon in the quest for affordable flights. Several online tools can help you pinpoint the cheapest days to fly. Consider flying into alternative airports like Surabaya or Jakarta. Every little bit counts when you're traveling on a budget. Exploring your options, airlines, and alternative airports. Consider budget carriers that offer no-frills flights at lower prices. Sign up for newsletters to stay updated on the latest deals. Review baggage allowance and additional fees before booking. Flying into a nearby airport and then taking a domestic flight can sometimes be cheaper. Embracing local hospitality, the charm of homestays. Staying in a traditional Balinese homestay allows you to connect with local families. Imagine waking up to the aroma of freshly brewed Balinese coffee. Homestays are typically located in rural villages, providing a tranquil escape. Prices for homestays are a fraction of the cost of hotels. Some homestays even include breakfast and dinner in their rates. Finding your home away from home, guesthouses and lodgements. Guesthouses and lodgements offer a cozy and welcoming atmosphere. Guesthouses typically offer a range of room options. Lodgements are more basic and budget-friendly but full of character. They provide a unique perspective of Bali and allow you to experience the island like a local. Exploring modern comfort on a budget, hostels and budget hotels. Hostels offer a vibrant and social atmosphere, perfect for meeting people. Budget hotels provide comfortable rooms with private bathrooms and air conditioning. Some budget hotels even have swimming pools and other facilities. Hostels and budget hotels in Bali offer a fantastic way to experience the island without breaking the bank. Warung Wonders, a taste of authentic Bali on a plate. The real culinary treasures are found in humble warungs. Must-try dishes include nasi campur, mie goreng, and satay. Each bite is an explosion of flavors and textures. Don't miss out on trying gado-gado and pisang goreng. Warungs offer an authentic taste of Balinese cuisine. Market adventures, savoring local delights and fresh produce. Bali's vibrant markets are a feast for the senses. Sample exotic fruits like mangosteen, rambutan, and dragon fruit. Try local delicacies like freshly grilled corn and savory steamed buns. Market meals offer an authentic taste of Balinese cuisine. Budget-friendly bites. Tips for dining out without overspending. Embrace the art of warung hopping. Order shared plates to sample a variety of flavors. Quench your thirst with refreshing and affordable local drinks. Fresh coconut water and es teh manis are popular choices. Nature's playground, free and affordable outdoor adventures. Bali's natural beauty is its greatest asset. Start your day with a sunrise hike up Mount Batur. Explore the verdant rice paddies surrounding Ubud. Spend your days swimming and sunbathing at Bali's beaches. Cool off with a refreshing dip in one of Bali's many waterfalls. Section 2. Cultural Immersion. Experiencing Bali's rich heritage without spending a fortune. Bali's rich cultural heritage is an integral part of its charm, and experiencing it doesn't have to break the bank. From ancient temples and traditional ceremonies to vibrant markets and local arts and crafts, you can immerse yourself in Balinese culture without emptying your wallet. Start your cultural journey by visiting one of Bali's many stunning temples. While some temples charge a small entrance fee, many others are free to enter. The iconic Tanah Lot Temple, perched dramatically on a rocky outcrop in the sea, is a must-visit at sunset for its breathtaking views. Other notable temples include Uluwatu Temple, known for its clifftop location and kekak dance performances, and Ulun Danu Breton Temple, a picturesque temple complex on the shores of Lake Breton. Witnessing a traditional Balinese ceremony is an unforgettable experience that offers a glimpse into the spiritual heart of the island. Many villages hold ceremonies throughout the year, often accompanied by traditional music, dance, and elaborate costumes. Check with local communities or your accommodation for information about upcoming ceremonies. For a taste of local life, spend an afternoon exploring one of Bali's bustling markets. The Ubud Art Market is a treasure trove of handicrafts, textiles, and souvenirs, while the Pasar Badung, Denpasar's largest traditional market, offers a glimpse into the everyday lives of Balinese people. Remember to bargain respectfully for the best prices. Sometimes the most memorable travel experiences come from embracing the simple joys and finding pleasure in the everyday moments. In Bali, these moments are abundant and often cost little to nothing at all. Start your day with a traditional Balinese breakfast at a local warung, savoring the flavors of nasi goreng, mie goreng, or pisang goreng while sipping on aromatic Balinese coffee. As you explore the island, take the time to interact with locals, practice your Bahasa Indonesian phrases, and embrace the warmth and hospitality of the Balinese people. Rent a bicycle and explore the countryside, pedaling through lush rice paddies, charming villages, and past ancient temples. The gentle breeze, the sound of birdsong, and the vibrant colors of nature will soothe your soul and create lasting memories. As the sun begins to set, find a secluded spot on the beach and witness nature's grand finale. The sky transforms into a canvas of vibrant hues, casting a magical glow over the ocean. Whether you're traveling solo, with your partner, or with friends, these simple moments of connection with nature and with each other are priceless. Remember, traveling on a budget is not about sacrificing experiences, it's about being resourceful, embracing local culture, and finding joy in the simple things. In Bali, these simple joys are abundant, making it the perfect destination for a budget-friendly adventure that will stay with you long after you've returned home. While Bali boasts famed waterfalls like Sekumpul and Teganungan, a world of hidden cascades awaits the adventurous traveler. These tucked-away treasures offer a serene escape from the crowds, allowing you to connect with nature's raw beauty in solitude. Journey north to discover the enchanting Banyumala waterfall, a hidden gem near Munduk. A short trek through lush coffee plantations and clove trees leads you to a breathtaking sight. Multiple cascades tumbling down moss-covered cliffs into a crystal-clear pool. The symphony of rushing water and the verdant surroundings create an ethereal ambiance. Further east, near Sidemen, lies the captivating Tukad Chepung waterfall, tucked away within a cave-like rock formation. As you approach the falls, sunlight streams through a circular opening above, creating an otherworldly glow that illuminates the cascading water. Take a dip in the cool, refreshing pool, and let the power of nature wash away your worries. For a truly off-the-beaten-path adventure, venture to the mystical Tibumana waterfall, located near Ubud. A leisurely walk through rice paddies and bamboo forests leads you to this secluded paradise. The single powerful cascade plunges into a turquoise pool surrounded by lush vegetation, offering a serene escape from the outside world. The tranquility of this hidden gem is sure to rejuvenate your senses. Beyond the tourist trail, villages where authenticity reigns. Discover the true essence of Bali in its traditional villages, where time moves slower and ancient traditions thrive. Journey to Penglipuran, nestled in the highlands near Bangli. Here, villagers maintain age-old customs and traditions. Head north to Pemutaran, a tranquil fishing village known for sustainable tourism. Snorkel in Menjangan Island's crystal-clear waters, renowned for vibrant coral reefs. Venture to Tenganan, home to the Bali Aga, preserving ancient traditions. Spiritual sojourns, finding peace in sacred places. Bali's spiritual heart beats strong, and beyond the well-known temples lie hidden sanctuaries where you can connect with your inner self and experience the island's profound sense of peace. These sacred places offer a tranquil escape from the everyday world, allowing you to reconnect with nature, reflect, and find solace. Discover the serenity of the Gunung Kawi Sabatu Temple, a hidden gem nestled amidst rice paddies near Ubud. This ancient temple complex, dedicated to the water god Vishnu, is a haven of tranquility. Wander through the moss-covered complex, admire the intricate carvings, and feel the calming energy of the sacred springs that flow through the grounds. Venture to the mystical Goa Gajah, also known as the Elephant Cave, a UNESCO World Heritage Site near Ubud. This ancient sanctuary, dating back to the 9th century, features a mesmerizing cave entrance carved with intricate reliefs depicting mythological creatures. Step inside the cool, dimly lit cave and discover a sacred space for meditation and spiritual reflection. For a truly unique spiritual experience, visit the Tirta Empul Temple, a sacred water temple near Tampak Siring. This ancient temple is renowned for its holy spring water, believed to have healing powers. Witness devout Balinese Hindus performing purification rituals as they bathe in the sacred pools, and perhaps even partake in this sacred tradition yourself. The tranquility of this sacred site is sure to leave a lasting impression on your soul. Memories to last a lifetime. Embracing the spirit of budget travel in Bali. From affordable flights to charming local homestays, adventure doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. The true essence of travel lies in the richness of experiences and memories. Picture yourself sipping fresh coconut water on a pristine beach as the sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky in vibrant hues. Imagine the flavors of authentic Balinese cuisine tantalizing your taste buds, surrounded by the warmth of local hospitality. Recall the awe-inspiring sight of ancient temples and the vibrant energy of traditional markets. These experiences will stay with you long after you've returned home. Budget travel is about embracing a different way of exploring, connecting with local cultures, and finding joy in the simple things. Embrace the spirit of budget travel and discover enriching experiences at unexpected prices. Final tips: packing your bags and your budget for an unforgettable adventure. Before you embark on your budget-friendly Balinese escapade, here are a few final tips to ensure a smooth and unforgettable journey. First and foremost, pack light. Bali's tropical climate means you'll be living in shorts, t-shirts, and swimsuits most of the time. Plus, packing light allows for spontaneous purchases at local markets without worrying about excess baggage fees. When it comes to money matters, notify your bank of your travel dates to avoid any issues with your cards. Carry a mix of cash and cards and withdraw larger sums of cash at once to minimize ATM fees. Remember to haggle respectfully when shopping at markets or bargaining for transportation. It's all part of the experience. Most importantly, embrace the unexpected. Flexibility is key to budget travel, so don't be afraid to deviate from your itinerary if an exciting opportunity arises. Some of the most memorable travel experiences happen when you least expect them. Finally, remember that respect for local customs and traditions is paramount. Dress modestly when visiting temples, remove your shoes before entering homes or sacred spaces, and always ask permission before taking photos of people or religious ceremonies. Now, armed with these tips and a spirit of adventure, you're ready to experience the magic of Bali on a budget. Pack your bags, grab your passport, and get ready for an unforgettable journey filled with breathtaking landscapes, vibrant culture, and memories to last a lifetime. Selamat Jalan, safe travels.